Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shield in Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So basically all you got to do is press on the three lines in the top right corner, and then from here we have to go to my showroom, and then you will see all of your tokens. And if you press right here at the bottom in the shields tab, you will be able to change the shield by simply clicking on it and pressing on equipped. Or another way that I've discovered recently is simply pressing on your shields in the top right corner, and then you can directly enter this page for all the shields and you can change them. As you can see, I just pressed on it and now my shields are back to normal. And if I want to change it to the fancier ones, we just repeat this process and our shields are changed. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.